Hello guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R and I'm Miss R. I am going to show you how I make me a chicken Parmesan with using the veggie meat from Morningstar. Guys, I am not sponsored by anyone. I bought everything that you're going to see me use today with my own money. So what I'm going to do is take 2 of these chicken patties and I am going to put them in the toaster oven. Okay guys? Okay guys, so I'm over here at the toaster oven. I'm just going to lay the chicken patties in the toaster oven, and I know I'm going to want me some garlic bread with this, so I am going to put me 2 pieces of garlic bread in there as well. See? I got it set for 58. It's not going to take that long to cook. Okay guys, I had made some spaghetti yesterday, and this is how much I had left for making spaghetti. So I'm just going to warm the spaghetti up while my chicken fillets are cooking and my bread is cooking. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the spaghetti, bring it over here. And I'm just going to put it in some hot water. You know, that's all I probably will use. Okay guys, my spaghetti was already done. I'm just warming it up in, water. Separate the noodles while my chicken fillet patty is cooking. Okay guys, it has been in there just for a few minutes. Whew, and it's looking good. Look at my bread. Oh, my bread is looking good. So we're going to take the bread out. And we're going to put the bread on the side. Now for the chicken patties, we're going to take those out as well. So let's just try to get in there and get the chicken patties. You want to take your chicken patties and you want to put them on the plate. Okay guys? You want to put your chicken patties on a plate. You just want to strain your spaghetti. Okay guys, once you strain your spaghetti, you want to just put the strained spaghetti over the chicken breast, over the little chicken patties, okay? This is what you want to do. You want to make sure that you place as much spaghetti over your chicken breast as you would like, okay? Guys, I'm doing this with one hand. At first I wasn't going to film this, but I remembered, I promised you guys the next time I made chicken Parmesan that I was going to do it. So that covers it just right. So once you have your chicken breast covered, what you want to do is you want to get your sauce, okay? Okay guys, so the sauce that I'm going to be using today is Prego Garden Chunky Tomato with Leafy Greens. So you want to take your sauce and you want to dribble it as much as you think you would like. Look at that. Over your chicken Parmesan. Okay? You want to dribble it over your chicken Parmesan. Okay, guys, once you have your sauce on there as much as you would like, you want to get any type of cheese. I'm going to go with the Mexican cheese. And, but you can use anything. Provolone, American. And, you want to liberally put it over your spaghetti. I think I'm gonna put a little provolone on there too. Whatever type of cheese you would like to put on there. Okay? Okay, so now once you have your cheese on there, I like to use black pepper. And I like to put it on there. I love me some black pepper. My husband say I go too far with it, but I love me some black pepper. So now, once you have all that on there, you're gonna put it in the microwave for maybe 3 minutes. 3 to 5 minutes. Just enough for the cheese to melt. Okay guys, I am about to take it out the microwave. I think it's been in there long enough. So, let's see what we have here. I mean, I love making this chicken Parmesan. I really do. We're just going to pop it on out of the microwave. Alright guys, well this is it. This is the chicken Parmesan, freshly out of the microwave. Meatless chicken Parmesan, guys. And I'm telling you guys, you are going to love it. It's very quick, it's very easy to make, and it's meatless. So we're going to bring it over here, and we're going to get our 2 pieces of garlic bread, and it is bon appetit. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And I am going to be showing you some other meatless recipes that you can try. Alright guys, bye.